to Learn English with Ease. Today, we're talking about communicating under pressure while staying calm and confident. Let's begin. Hi, Anna. Have you ever noticed how English feels different when you are under pressure?
Hi, Tom. Yes, absolutely. When I feel pressure, my English feels slower.
Mine too. Even simple words feel harder to find.
Exactly. It's like the brain suddenly forgets everything.
That usually happens when the situation feels important.
Yes, meetings, phone calls, or unexpected questions.
Those moments can feel stressful.
Very stressful, especially when people are waiting for an answer.
How do you usually react in those moments?
At first, I feel tense. My heart beats faster.
That physical reaction makes thinking harder.
Yes, I sometimes rush my words.
Rushing usually makes things worse.
I've learned that slowing down helps.
Slowing down is powerful, even if it feels uncomfortable.
I agree. Pausing gives the brain time.
Sometimes people are afraid of silence,
Yes, silence feels like failure.
but silence can actually show confidence.
That took me a long time to understand.
When you pause, people often listen more carefully.
That's true. A pause can feel strong.
What kind of pressure situations do you face most often?
Phone calls, especially unexpected ones.
Phone calls remove body language.
Yes, and that makes communication harder.
What helps you during those calls?
I remind myself that I don't need perfect English.
That reminder is very important.
I also use simple sentences.
Simple sentences reduce pressure.
For example, let me check that, or I need a moment.
Those sentences buy time.
Exactly. Time reduces stress.
What about face-to-face pressure?
I try to focus on breathing.
Breathing changes everything.
Yes, slow breathing calms the body.
And when the body is calm, the words come easier.
I've noticed that too.
Do you ever feel embarrassed after a stressful conversation?
Sometimes I replay it in my head.
That replay can be exhausting.
Yes, I start thinking about what I should have said.
That happens to many people.
I'm learning to be kinder to myself.
That's a big step.
Pressure moments are learning moments.
Exactly. They help us grow.
I used to avoid pressure situations,
Avoidance feels safe.
but it also slows progress.
Facing pressure builds confidence.
Slowly, yes.
Confidence doesn't come from perfection.
It comes from experience.
Well said.
I've learned that mistakes under pressure don't define me.
They define your learning.
Exactly.
What advice would you give to someone listening right now?
I would say slow down, breathe, use simple English.
That's excellent advice.
Pressure passes, the moment ends.
And you're still okay.
Yes, always.
I hope our listeners feel calmer after listening.
I hope so too. They are not alone.
Learning English under pressure takes courage.
And they already have that courage.
Thank you for this conversation, Anna.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you for listening today.
See you in the next episode.
Pressure doesn't mean failure. It means growth is happening. Stay calm, breathe slowly, and trust your English. This is Learn English with Ease. See you tomorrow.